Hello and welcome. Today I'm going to show you how to sleep in Project Zomboid. First, your character needs to be tired enough before the game will let you sleep. As you stay awake and do activities like walking, running, fighting, or carrying loads, your fatigue level increases. When fatigue gets high enough, you'll see a tired Moodle, and that's when sleep becomes available. Next, find a safe resting spot. The best places to sleep are beds, sofas, or other chairs inside a secure building. You can also sleep on the ground or inside vehicles if needed, but beds give better rest. Once you're near the bed or spot you want to sleep, simply right-click it and select Sleep from the interaction menu. A confirmation prompt will usually pop up. Click Yes to proceed. After confirming, the screen will fade to black and time will quickly pass while your character rests. Sleep restores your fatigue and removes tired Moodles, so you wake up refreshed and ready to continue surviving. Sleeping also helps reduce negative effects like reduced endurance or weapon accuracy from exhaustion. And that's how you sleep in Project Zomboid. Thanks for watching.